Hello, gardening enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of sea daffodils, a unique and beautiful plant that you can grow at home. The sea daffodil is without doubt one of the most beautiful plants of the southwestern Mediterranean. You can find it growing on the coastal sands or just above the high tide mark, and as its common name suggests, it is a genuine bulbous plant. However, despite appearances, is not remotely related to the daffodil. Luckily for those of us who wish to grow this gorgeous specimen in the garden, then you can, so long as you try and mimic his natural environment as best as possible. By following these steps one by one, you will ensure a successful growth of these unique flowers. Let's get started. Selecting the right location. Choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Sea daffodils love full sunlight, so aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Soil preparation. Ensure your soil is sandy and well-draining. If your soil is too heavy, consider amending it with sand or perlite to improve drainage. Choosing the right bulbs. Purchase high-quality sea daffodil bulbs from a reputable source. These bulbs are typically available in late summer or early fall. Planting depth and spacing. Plant bulbs about 4 to 6 inches deep and space them 6 to 8 inches apart. This ensures proper root development and allows the plants to establish a beautiful display. Watering and care. Water the bulbs thoroughly after planting. During the growing season, water when the soil is dry to the touch. Sea daffodils are drought tolerant but appreciate regular watering. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced fertilizer in spring when the plants begin to emerge. Follow package instructions for proper application. Maintenance and tips. Mulching. Mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. A layer of organic mulch, such as straw or bark, works well. Protection from frost. If you're in a colder climate, provide protection from frost by covering the plants with a layer of straw or burlap during the winter. Congratulations! You're now on your way to enjoying the beauty of sea daffodils in your own garden. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your sea daffodil gardening experience, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting gardening content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bloom. Until next time, happy gardening, and may your sea daffodils flourish in the coastal haven you've created right at home. See you in the next video.